Bite. You heard about that Crunchyroll breach hitting 6.8 million users?
Yeah, but I don't really get how they got in. I thought streaming sites were secure.
That's exactly the mindset these hackers count on. Modern phishing isn't just fake emails anymore. They use social engineering to get employee credentials first.
Wait, so they didn't hack the servers directly?
Probably not. They likely targeted Crunchyroll employees with personalized phishing messages.
How do you spot that stuff?
3 red flags: urgent language, asking for credentials, and sender domains that look almost right but aren't.
That's terrifying. So, what should I do if my streaming account gets breached?
Change passwords immediately, check for unauthorized devices, and enable 2-factor authentication. Stay sharp out there!